Hi everyone, my name is Rizwan and today I will show you how to add clean professional AI captions to your videos using captionbolt.com. First thing first, let's open CaptionBolt. If you open it, simply you have to sign in, click on login and then just simply sign in. Once you sign in, CaptionBolt will take you to the here is my dashboard. Here all you need to do is, let's say you want to upload a video on your YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or any social media application, and also you want to add the captions in your language. So CaptionBolt made it very easy. Choose the video you want to upload. Here you will see the spoken language. In this short video I used Urdu language, but the first one which I already uploaded in my project is in English. So let's see if it detects Urdu as well or no. So we'll click create video. It will take some time and after that it will appear under your projects. So as you can see, the video, the short video which I had just uploaded in Urdu language, it's ready. On the right side, we can see that there are different type of captions which we can add, like it's if it is storytelling, music, professional, artistic, or minimal. From here, you can choose your preferred style of captions. If you go on the right side, you will see the text editor. Let's say if I say something wrong, so what I can do, I can edit here and then save. So after editing and after making sure that the video captions are 100% correct, we will click on export and then we can easily upload on our social media. If I go back to the dashboard, I can show you the other video. So the language of this video was English, so I will show you some mistakes. So to edit this mistake, what we can do, we can click on text editor. Here as you can see, them in a moving wiggle, so we will replace it with the wiggle and then we will export the video with the 100% correction. So this way you can easily add the caption into your video and your video will be more attractive. As you can see here, this video was in Urdu, so it's also recorded the generated the captions in Urdu. As you can see here, I will lower the volume a little bit and then we will try. So if we talk about the pricing of this, if we click on pricing here, it will show me the price list. So as you can see here, with the free version you can only edit 10 minutes videos per month. With the starter package you can get 60 minutes per month, and with the pro you will get the 400 minutes, and with the max you will get the 1000 minutes per month. I will put my link for Caption Bolt in description box. So if you will buy using this link, you will get the 50% discount on your first purchase. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.